Welcome back! Today I'm reviewing the HadinEEon electric gooseneck kettle. This is the second time I'm reviewing one of their products. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the HadinEEon electric gooseneck kettle model number 3166E. It has a capacity of 0.8 liters, that is 28.2 ounces and 1000 watts. It comes with its own instruction manual. It looks so easy and nothing is very complicated. It has a stainless steel inner coating. I love the design, especially the spout. Looks so cool. Power based with cord. First I'm going to wash it with warm water and soap. Okay, let's get started. Pour the water to the maximum level. The indicator light will turn on when the power is on. Once it's done, it will shut off by itself. I'm going to make 1 cup of coffee and 1 cup of tea. This is tea. And this one is instant coffee. Or you can also just make some hot water too. I think this kettle is affordable and it's easy to store and maintain. HadinEEon electric gooseneck kettle is definitely better than my other electric kettles because of the classic spout design. The water comes from the bottom, preventing it spilling while you pour. I definitely recommend this product if you're looking to buy an electric kettle. See you next week. Bye-bye.